Today we're going to make a very simple apple cobbler in the Dutch oven. Stay tuned for how to do it. This apple cobbler is really one of the more simple things that I've ever seen. It's only got 4 ingredients, and one of those is whipped cream to put on top. I'm using a 10-inch cast iron Dutch oven. We're going to use about 8 on the bottom, 8 coals on the bottom, and about 16 on top. I may use fewer on the bottom and a couple more on top just to try to get it to crisp on the top. But you're going to take 2 cans of apple pie filling, and you can pick whichever kind of apple pie filling that you like, and put them down in the bottom of the Dutch oven. On top of that, you sprinkle on 2 pouches of Martha White muffin mix. And I like the cinnamon sugar variety of that. So just sprinkle the muffin mix on top, and then take a stick of butter, cut it into pats, and spread it around. You put it in the Dutch oven, you let it sit for about 30 minutes, maybe a little bit longer depending on how it browns on the top. Give it a chance to cool, and then put some whipped cream on it. And I'm telling you what, it is some of the best cobbler that you can ever have on a camping trip. I hope you make this. I hope you like it. And if you do, please tell me in the comments, and stay tuned for more camping recipes here on Scoutmaster Outdoors. Thanks for tuning in.
It was a great cobbler.
Fantastic. It's the best I've had.